We've got a little 25 horsepower tractor. We got our Ignite compact tractor buckets that now fit on the John Deere hook and pin style. Got the 60-inch cultivator on the back. Got a tree row here with the cornfield. Needs cleaned up. Start with the cultivator. Gonna hit it with a landscape drag. And so got some branches and stuff to throw in the bucket, haul those out. Then we're gonna make this look really nice so we can plant some more trees along here and we'll get after it. Don't forget, you can set your 3-point height. You can put your stop in so you don't have to think about how deep you're going. You can set it to what you want and then you can just push her down and let her rip. Don't forget to periodically check your cultivator after you've been using it, because these things do come loose, they're ground engaging. So check your bolts, check your bolts that hold on your shanks or your scarifiers, your shovels. So just go double check everything. 3/4 inch for the S tines and 9/16 for the shovels. Yesterday I was out here with the cultivator on my little 1025. Got everything broken up all the way down that way, the whole length of this little property here. Get these tree rows cleaned up, all the grass broken up, some of the tree roots out of the way, make room for some new trees. Been out here today with the landscape drag on here. It actually works really well and doubles as like a landscape rake. You can drag your debris into piles so you can get all the trash and junk out of there. Landscape drag set up so we can have 3 center blocks on either side. I just have 2. I've got them strapped down so they don't go anywhere. Again, you can run this with a 3-point or just with the chain. The chain would mount to where the 3-point mounts, and then you'd just hook it onto your tractor or your side-by-side, four-wheeler, etc. Can make this quick hitch capable, like I've done here. It's actually the same 3-point frame as the cultivator. I like to run it with the chain so that I can lift up on my 3-point, and it actually gets these front ones a little bit off the ground so I can have the back ones really engaging, especially when you're dragging through some of this trash here, the sod and stuff, help you carry it along. Otherwise you just get a big load up on this front one here. So 3-point's nice to be able to adjust up and down.